Recently, we tested the new water-washable resin from Anycubic, and the reasons for switching were pretty straightforward. First and foremost, the cost. While standard resins are priced similarly, the real cost of printing was about to double once we factored in the expense of alcohol required for cleaning. On average, we were spending an extra 20 euros on 5 liters of ethanol for every 1 liter of resin. I imagine more experienced 3D printer users wouldn't waste as much alcohol, but for us this added up fast. So we checked Anycubic's website and came across the new water-washable ABS-like V2 resin. It's easy to confuse with their other resin, ABS-like Pro 2, but the Pro 2 requires alcohol washing and comes in a wider variety of colors. Other key reasons for considering the switch were safety and convenience. Ethanol is extremely flammable, and the strong odor in small apartment is less than ideal. For our leather clay stamps, we decided to try the black ABS-like V2, since we've already used the regular black resin for our Etsy products. The first noticeable difference: much less odor when pouring the resin into the vat. Here is a comparison of two leather clay stamps, one printed with alcohol-washed resin and the other with water-washable resin. You'll notice that the alcohol-washed stamp has slightly more transparency on fine edges. Although the fonts are different, you can still see the difference. To test durability, I tried smashing the stamps on concrete, definitely not there usually is the case. The new ABS-like resin held up better with no small dents on the leather edges. The only minor downside is that water-washable resin needs to be dried with a hair dryer or something like it to avoid white marks after UV curing, whereas alcohol evaporates much faster. We also printed an extension tube to attach a microscope lens to our Panasonic Micro Four Third camera. The model was downloaded from Thingiver's and it showed minimal shrinkage. The inner and outer threads fit perfectly. In conclusion, we're pretty happy with this new ABS-like V2 resin and are considering making a bulk purchase soon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.